Welcome everybody. I have a 10 by 10 canvas here. I'm going to do a bloom on black with some gold colors and some white. So I have my color to go paint that I'm using. It's the end of my it's the last of it. That looks like it should be enough. If you're tilting it, you got to make sure you tilt it back in the middle, because then too much paint will be to one side. There. I think that's plenty. All right, let's see what we can do here. I have some pearl white. I'm not sure if I want to put this in the middle. I think maybe I'll put some on twice. I'll put some in the middle. This is Sheleeart Extreme Sheen Pearl paint. These are all mixed with my bloom pouring medium. Let's leave that. The next color I have is Champagne Gold. It's a Sheleeart also. Metallic. I'm just debating if I should go dark. I think I'll go darker to lighter, so that I'm going to switch these two. So this one is a pigment. It's a really, look at that, it's like black and gold. It's a Pearl X, it's called Sunset Gold. So I'll put this one down. Okay. Then the next one is some Behr iridescent gold. I was going to put some black in, but I did change my mind because I think there's enough black in the base. I don't need black. And I have the Champagne Gold. I'm drizzling it on this time. Usually I just pour it right in the middle. Either way works. The iridescent gold was Behr, the one before that. Now this is the Amsterdam light gold. Okay, let's see how this turns out. I'm going to use my black cell activator. And I'm going to use a hair dryer. I'm going to use the one with my silicone thing on it. I couldn't get too close with that. It was pretty strong. Oh, that's so pretty. I didn't get this blown out as much as I wanted. I wonder if I can blow it out with this. Not very strong. Now there's a hint of the white underneath. I could have put more white in, but I didn't. Now, right. I think I want to do some see, let's spin this out. Most of my frilly edges are going to come off, I think. My black base paint was Color to Go Hawthorne black. I had it mixed. Tricorn black. I love it. Okay, let's see if this is moving much. It's still moving. I might have to spin again. It's very pretty. I think I'm going to let this dry now, and I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. Very nice. I love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that bell, you'll be notified when I do a new video. You won't miss one. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my, it's almost dry canvas. Look at that nice shine in there. That pearl white in the middle is pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.